UBJ here. In this episode, we'll be making a blog style single page website. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Okay, if you notice, we're getting into more and more depth into it. We're gonna start creating more complex things, more complex designs and whatnot. It's a simple blog style application. This is what we will be building. It is not fully responsive. It is only responsive to this viewport as of right now, but we will get into responsiveness soon. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to have our index.html file. We're going to get a template going by using shift exclamation point on Mac. Get a template. Okay. We'll add our link for CSS. Our style page will be style.css. And we'll be building a blog style. Title. Blog style. Okay. Let's get live server going. Okay, now we got live server going. We're gonna start off with a header per section. So we'll do a header. Why do we do that every time? Okay, and for a header we'll do an h1 tag. We'll be doing UBJ's blog. Okay. Give that a save to format. Next, we'll be doing a main section, and in that main, we'll have sections. Okay, and each section is going to have a H3 element, a div, a paragraph, and an image. Okay, so we're going to do an H3. Okay, then we're going to do a div. And an image. Regular paragraph. Okay, so next, how many cards do we want to use? We'll do 4 cards. Okay, so and in the section, we're gonna put a class. We're not fill it in yet. Now we're gonna give it a copy and paste, and we're gonna do 4 sections. Alright, back up to the first one. That was my fault. We should have put the name in there too. Card container. Each section will be like a card on the screen as like a blog section. H3 will be cascading style sheets. Okay, we use that as a title. Paragraph, we're gonna do a alarm. Melted our image, we're gonna need a source. And an alt. Okay, so that looks good. So now we're gonna do the rest of the cards. There should still be a card container. Actually, we'll just put them all in instead of keep doing and doing it. Next, we're gonna put. Let's see. Okay, we'll do that. Text markup language. Oh, we forgot the class. Okay, we'll do our content. And this one's gonna be class L content. Alright, looking good, looking good. Back here, yeah, sorry. Sauce. We'll put our sauce, we'll put our alt. Let's get that out of the way. I should have did that to begin with. Okay, now we got all of them. We just put a pic there, we'll do a alarm. Again, I should have did all of them. Okay, what happened now? There you go. So the third thing we're going to do is Node.js. The fourth thing we're going to do is JavaScript. Okay. So basically right now we got a title, which is our header, and then we got 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, after the main, we're gonna do a side, and then that side we're gonna do a section. Okay, section, we'll do a class, and that's gonna be a row. And we'll do a div. And each div is gonna have a class, and card, and we're gonna need 4 of those about. Should do. Yeah, 4. Okay, also now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add an image tag in there. Oops. And an alt. Okay. So that's gonna be another section that we're gonna have. And we're gonna have a footer. And the footer will be something simple like a copyright symbol. And then there'll be a new BJ. That's the wrong one. Here we go. And let's try the other one. There we go. That's a footer. That's the side. We'll end up changing this after the side because can be used. If it was responsive, I would use that as a side element. So that's it for the HTML pretty much. Let's move on now to style this. Give it some structure, make it look good. Okay, we have style.css, which is on the blog. Okay, I didn't put the images in yet. The images are right here. We will be putting those in. I want to get some CSS in there, so this way you can see what's going on, and you can also see how it looks. So I'm gonna go through this, hopefully kind of fast, and maybe some copy and paste. You know what? How about some copy and paste? Let's get some copy and paste. And there's some presto magic. Alright, now that we put the CSS in, we gotta go back and pick something that we missed, and that's gonna be right here, right here. We forgot to add the class in the last two. Okay, and then the first one's gonna be an L content. Second one's gonna be an I content. Okay, and this is what we have so far. Okay, I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. This is what we're building. This is what it will look like. Back to what we're building here. Okay, so now we're gonna add in the pictures. So we're looking for a cascading style, so that's gonna be that sauce. So we're gonna do, and then we're gonna do an image, and we're gonna be the CSS title, JPEG picture. Okay, here we have the CSS. Oh, we put it in the wrong one. Oopsie. There we go. All set. Makes sense now, doesn't it? Alright, so the second one we have our hypertext mockup. So now we're gonna find our hypertext mockup one. And that's going to be the HTML title. Okay, so we got our HTML picture. Next is gonna be our Node.js. And that's gonna be Let's try. Oh, yep, Node.js. Next one's going to be JavaScript and JS title. Okay. Then now our pictures at the bottom are icons, avatars, should say. Doesn't matter which, but we got lady avatar. We got, should have the guy avatar. Ninja avatar. And Anon avatar. And presto. We got our title down the bottom, our avatars, our titles, our designs. Let's see what we got going on here. We wrap the text. Alright. So, let's see. Looks like we don't have enough text to go around. So, alright, let's do, let's add another lorem. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. We'll add another lorem. I'm gonna add them to all of them. This should about do it. And there it is. That one's good. That one's good. Presto. We have a single blog style web page. Thank you for taking a look. Code will be in the description. Also the images, I will push those to GitHub also, along with the CSS and everything. Links will be in the description once again. Thank you for taking a look.